Good morning class. This is your math class and today I am going to start chapter 7. Topic is equivalent fraction. Now students, question is arises here. What is equivalent fraction? A fraction which represents the same part of a whole. Same part of a whole is called the equivalent fraction. Like students, look at this figure. What fraction this is? Whole part is 2 and colored part is 1 and its whole part is 4, shaded part is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whole part is 6 and shaded part is 3. Look here students, these are the example of equivalent fraction because 2 2s are 4. Basically, this is also a half part and this is also a half part. Look at this picture. This represents the half. This also represents the half and this also represents the half. So this is the example of equivalent fraction. Students, question is arises here, how to find the equivalent fraction. So students, if you have find the equivalent fraction of the given fraction, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Like, we have to find out the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Like 1 by 2 cross 2 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4. This is one of the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Again 1 upon 2 multiplied with the 3 by 3. Here we multiply with 3 numerator and denominator both. So we get 3 upon 6. These both are the equivalent fraction. 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6 is the equivalent fraction. Again, another example like 1 upon 4. We have to create its equivalent fraction. We multiplied 5 upon 5, like 5 upon 20. 1 upon 4 is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 20. 1 upon 4 multiplied with a 6 upon 6, that is 6 upon 24. 1 upon 4, 5 upon 20, 6 upon 24. These all are the equivalent fraction. 1 upon 4 is equals to 5 upon 20 is equals to 6 upon 24. These all are the equivalent fraction. Means अगर हमें equivalent fraction निकालना है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को एक ही नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. Now students, simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factors except 1. Like 2 upon 4. Here is a common factor is 2. This is not in the simplest form. For find out the simplest form, we have to divide numerator and denominator by FCF of the given number. Here FCF of 2 and 4 is 2. So we divide 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So we get 1 upon 2. This is the simplest form of 2 upon 4. Here common factor of 1 and 2 is 1 only. So this is the simplest form of 2 upon 4. Again, take another example. 5 upon 15. This is not the simplest form. This question is not in the simplest form because common factor of 5 and 15 is 1 and 5. So if we have to form a simplest form, so we have to divide SCF, divide numerator and denominator by SCF of the given number. So 5 and 15, SCF of 5 and 15 is 5. So 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. What we get here? 1. This is 5 3 are 15. This is the simplest form of 5 upon 15. 1 upon 3 is the simplest form of 5 upon 3 because here common factor of 1 and 3 is 1. As the definition says, the common factor of numerator and denominator is 1, then that fraction is said to be an simplest form of the fraction. Students, come and solve exercise 7.3. Now, question is, replace box in each of the following by the correct number. Here, 2 upon 7 is given. We have to form the equivalent fraction. So, as we think, how much we multiplied with the 2? We get 8. If we multiply 2 with the 4, ना अगर 2 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then we get the 8. 2 cross 4, then we get 8. So if we multiply 7 with the 4, what we get here? 7 4 the 28. So appropriate number is 28. Now again, 5 cross 2 is equals to 5 cross 2 is equals to 10. So we have to multiply 8 with the 2. 8 multiplied with the 2 is equals to 16. So appropriate number is 16 here. Now this question is quite different with the A and B. Here 24 and 4 we have to divide. How much if we divide 24 divided by 6, what we get? 6 4 the 24. Then we get 4 now. So we have to divide 18 divided by 6. 6 3 the 18. So appropriate digit is 3. Like this process, we solve this type of question. Now question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20. 3 upon 5. Denominator क्या करना है? 20 करना है. How much we multiplied? 5. With the 5 we get 20. 5 4 the 20. 5 cross 4 and so 3 cross 4. 4 3 जा 12 and 5 4 जा 20. This is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20. And now 3 upon 5 having numerator 27. Write down 3 upon 5. How much we multiplied with the 3? If we multiplied 3 with the 9, then also we multiply 5 with the 9. 9 3s are 27 and 9 5s are 45. This is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 with the numerator 27. And now question number 6. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So students, we have to check this is the equivalent fraction है या नहीं है. So 5 6 are 30. 5 cross 6 is equals to 30, and if we multiplied 5 with the 6, we also multiplied 9 with the 6. 9 cross 6, 54. This is the fraction now. So this is the equivalent fraction. Look here, question number B. 3 multiplied with the 4 is 12. Also we have to multiply 10 with the 4. This is 40. Look here. Here 50 is given. So this is not the equivalent fraction. Not the equivalent fraction. And this one is also not the equivalent fraction because 7 multiple is different thing and 5 multiple is different thing. These all are the prime numbers. So this is not an equivalent fraction. This is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.